Hi everyone, welcome back to Resolutions. So in last video, we saw how to add an item at the end of the list. In this video, we'll see how to insert an item, a list item at a specified index by using the insert method. So the format will be same. First, we have to give the name of the list. Oh, I'm sorry. First, we have to give the name of the list, wedge list. Always remember that Python is case sensitive. So we cannot, so when you put wedge list in uppercase or lowercase, uh, it considers them as two separate lists, like lowercase, uppercase. Even one character is different. Python will take it as a new list completely, a new object, data object. Now, we are going to insert, what can we insert? We can insert capsicum. We can insert capsicum and that's it. We are going to press enter. Oh, so yeah, that's the thing. Well, since we are inserting an object, we need to specify the index. So in this case, we are going to give index number as 2. So now instead of cucumber, we'll get capsicum, okay? And the elements cucumber and carrot will shift away. They will shift one element to the next. So let's see how it works. We'll press enter and we are going to print wedge list. Yeah. So as we can see, if we just want to add an item at the end of the list, we can simply use append. But if you want to add an insert a list item at a specified index, we can use the insert method by giving the index value. I hope you understood it. Thank you so much. That's it for today. Have a nice day.